Greetings, fellas. How are you feeling today? So let's talk about something that affects millions of men, low testosterone or low T. Did you know that low testosterone levels can affect not only your physical health, but also your mental well-being? We're talking about everything from low energy and muscle loss to mood swings and even difficulty concentrating. In this video, we're diving into 5 proven ways to naturally increase testosterone levels and get you back to feeling like your best self. Watch until the end because this information could be a game changer for your health. All right, guys, let's kick things off with the foundation of a healthy lifestyle exercise. Not all workouts are created equal for boosting testosterone. Focus on strength training like lifting weights and body weight exercises. Pushing your muscles to their limits boosts testosterone. Even a few sessions a week can make a difference. Seek guidance from a certified trainer if you're new. Make exercise a regular part of your routine for a testosterone boost. Next up, we're talking about something we all love, sleep. You might be thinking, what does sleep have to do with testosterone? It's more connected than you might realize. High cortisol levels can interfere with testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's about optimizing your hormonal health. Fuel your body, right diet and testosterone. Let's dive into the world of nutrition. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to produce testosterone efficiently. Healthy fats are your allies. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. These beneficial fats play a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone. Protein is vital too. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to repair tissues and build muscle, which can further support testosterone levels. And don't overlook fruits and vegetables. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and well-being, including hormonal balance. Stress less, live more, managing stress for testosterone. We live in a fast-paced world and stress is a part of life, but when stress becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your health and, yes, your testosterone levels. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels elevated, which can suppress testosterone production. Incorporating stress management techniques into your routine can make a world of difference. Think meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, listening to music. Find what helps you unwind. Even taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, quiet your mind and let go of any tension can have a positive impact on your stress levels and, in turn, your testosterone levels. Nature's boosters. Supplements for testosterone support. Supplements should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, aids testosterone production. Zinc is crucial for testosterone synthesis. Ashwagandha supports hormonal balance. Always consult your doctor before starting new supplements. Take control of your health. Start boosting testosterone today. We talked about 5 proven ways to naturally boost your testosterone levels and reclaim your vitality. So incorporate those small, sustainable habits into your daily routine. Like this video if you found it helpful and share your thoughts below.